I'm Tom Highland, I'm the MD of the Highland Group. I'm here at my site in St Neots. I chose Lavazza on the Move because the Lavazza blue actually matches our company blue. The machine itself is a really smart, really durable machine. It's a really nice coffee and they're a really good company to work with. The coffee market is quite saturated at the minute. What sets Lavazza apart is that they're very forward thinking. They're not new to coffee, they know coffee very well, so they're a good partner to have because they're keen to grow, keen to invest and keen to work with partners like myself. Lavazza on the Move has added value to my business. You can pair it with meal deals or in-store bakeries. You can offer promotions with fuel to add footfall and volume to your site. So I've had lots of positive feedback about our Lavazza on the Move. Customers like the point of difference with the different brands compared to what's in the town locally. They like the machines, very user friendly, and they like the fact that Lavazza has stuck with their core products, coffee, tea and hot chocolate. In terms of maintenance, the staff really like the Lavazza machine. It's very easy to use, very easy to clean. They get great support from the team in the office and we get regular visits from our account manager. I would recommend Lavazza on the Move if you're looking for a strong, good quality coffee partner.